Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Azure Blob storage with Lifecycle rules step by step clearly. To backup Azure Blob storage using Lifecycle rules, start by logging into the Azure portal. Navigate to the Storage Accounts section from the left-hand menu. Select the storage account you want to work with. Once in the storage account, locate the Blob Service section. Click on Lifecycle Management. In the Lifecycle Management blade, click on the Add a Rule button. Provide a name for your Lifecycle Management rule. Define the scope of the rule by selecting the specific blob containers to apply it to. Choose the conditions under which blobs should be transitioned or deleted. For example, if you want to move blobs to a cooler storage tier, select the option to transition blobs. Specify the age of the blobs that will trigger the transition. You can also set specific retention policies for deleted blobs if desired. After defining your conditions, review the actions to be applied to qualifying blobs. You can choose to delete blobs or transition them to another storage tier. Once you've configured the conditions and actions, click on Review plus Create. Double-check your settings for accuracy. If everything looks good, click the Create button to establish the Lifecycle rule. Your new Lifecycle Management rule will now be in effect, automatically managing your blob storage based on the criteria you set. Monitor the performance of your Lifecycle rules through the Azure portal to ensure they're functioning as expected. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.